Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: Node, JS or Python, and a registered bot token. Next, you create a project folder, add an environment file for token, and write minimal login code so the bot connects. Once done, you enable required intents in the developer portal and invite the bot to your server with appropriate scopes. This gets you past setup quickly and lets you focus on building the custom command logic rather than wrestling with connection errors. Now you structure a command handler. Load command modules from a commands folder so new commands are plug-and-play. For each command, define metadata, name, aliases, required permissions, and cooldowns so you control usage and security. Then parse incoming messages or /interaction payloads, extract arguments, and call the matching handler. Make sure to validate inputs and handle async errors. This prevents crashes and keeps the bot responsive while you iterate on behaviors and features. Finish by registering /commands with Discord and testing them in a development server so changes are immediate. Deploy with logging, robust error handling, and permission checks to avoid runtime failures. If commands are unresponsive, check for common issues: wrong bot token, missing gateway intents, or insufficient application permissions. Fixing those usually resolves it. If errors persist, enable verbose logs and trace the handler path to find where args, permissions, or async code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.